Yeah.
Do the do.
Do the do. That's the sign.
Are we online?
Yeah, yes.
So this is a historic moment. I've never had this before. Should we repeat our Taco Bell conversation from yesterday? We're in there, and I was like, I don't know what I want. What do they have? And more behind the counter was like, what? And Jackie was like, yeah, she's never been here before. And she's like, where are you from?
And the look on her face was like,
what?
You've never been to Taco Bell.
Yeah, it's pretty like. And then she's like, well, back girls in Virginia.
This face I see music nice.
But we're in a movie, you gotta pretend we don't hear the music.
Oh right.
Actually, we don't hear the music, you don't just pretend. Okay. Sounds very good. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, that whole trigger was just that,
Really good.